In this procedure, we will be replacing a standard controller on a Lippert in-wall slide-out. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill and appropriate bit. First, disconnect the power from the source. Holding your new controller close by the old controller, disconnect the harnesses and transfer them over to the new controller. Now remove the screws attaching the old controller to the wall. Install the new controller to the wall. Now reconnect power from the source. This completes the procedure on replacing a standard controller on a Lippert in-wall slide-out.